Hi, this is Kit Welchlin, and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on time management, and the question is, what is the IGDS philosophy? Say, Kit, I think I'm focusing on the right tasks and activities. I believe I'm prioritizing my time and relationships pretty well. Do you have any tips on how I can prioritize my life better? Because sometimes I feel like I let people down. It's a tough choice. Do I do this or do I do that? And sometimes I feel pressure and a little guilt. I'm not sure how to choose what to do sometimes. I learned a great lesson concerning prioritizing nearly 30 years ago when I attended a real estate investing seminar. The presenter started the presentation by asking us to write 4 thank you notes to ourselves from 4 different people. One from a family member, one from a friend, one from a coworker, and one from a contact at a volunteer organization where we donated our time and talent. The task was to write 4 thank you notes just the way they would write them. If you came home today and there were 4 thank you notes on the kitchen table, what would they say? He gave us 10 minutes to write the 4 thank you notes. Then he asked us to read our thank you notes again, just to ourselves. After a long pause, he asked, how close to the truth are they? Well, mine were very flattering, and because I thought we were going to share them with others. He asked us to adopt the IGDS philosophy, which stood for, I'm gonna die someday, and we all groaned. He then simply suggested that we live up to our thank you notes for the next 12 months, and then buy as much real estate as we could manage. So I did. Those 4 thank you notes from that $10 real estate seminar changed my life. This is great. I need to get a pen and paper and write those 4 thank you notes to myself from a family member, a friend, a coworker, and a volunteer organization. I'm sure mine will be quite flattering too. But wait a minute. Didn't you say I would have to live up to them for the next 12 months? Do you have any other ideas or suggestions I could consider instead? Thank you for watching this video blog on time management. And the question was, what is the IGDS philosophy? Sometimes when we feel our life is out of balance, we need to step back and work on prioritizing and consider adopting the IGDS philosophy. I'm gonna die someday. So how would you like to be remembered? If you or members of your organization are struggling with time management, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I will provide a presentation packed with time management strategies that work.